Today, I'm going to show you how to create a map icon in Figma quickly and easily using a simple plugin that saves you time and gives you clean vector icons in just a few clicks. This is a great workflow if you're designing a website, an app interface, a dashboard, or any project where you need a location or map symbol without drawing it from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips and quick design walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your Figma file and go to the design you're working on. You can use an existing frame, a blank canvas, or any layout where you want to place the map icon. Once you're inside the design area, look toward the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and shortcuts that help speed up your workflow. After clicking the Actions icon, choose Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin browser, which lets you search for different tools made by the Figma community. Since we want to add an icon fast, we're going to use one of the most popular icon libraries available inside Figma. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify and run the plugin. Iconify is a super handy plugin because it gives you access to thousands of icons from different styles and categories, all inside Figma. You do not need to manually download icon files or import anything complicated. Everything is done right inside the plugin window. Once Iconify opens, go to the search bar and type map, then press enter. This will show you a list of map-related icons, including location pins, map markers, navigation symbols, and other travel or geography-style icon options. Take a moment to browse the results and choose the one that best fits your design. If you want a simple location pin, that is usually the cleanest option for most UI designs. If you want something more detailed, you can pick a map outline or another navigation-related symbol. When you find the icon you want, just drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. That is the fastest way to place it into your design. Once it's added, you can resize it, change its color, and position it wherever you need. Because it's a vector icon, it should stay sharp and clear even when scaled up or down. If you want, you can also duplicate the icon, combine it with text labels, or place it inside buttons, cards, or contact sections. For example, a map icon works really well next to an address, a store location, a delivery section, or a contact page heading. It's a small detail, but it can make your layout look much more polished and professional. And that's it. You've successfully created and inserted a map icon in Figma using Iconify. It only takes a few steps, but it can save you a lot of time when you're building clean, modern designs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.